Let's talk about a healthy gut first, right? So our gut lining in some of the places is 1 cell thick. It's like millimeters thick. And that membrane is separating the outside world from us, right? So what we want is we want the cells to be together. So think of it this way. So you want these cells all connected, right? And there's just supposed to be small channels, small openings where the things that are supposed to get in, but we're keeping out the toxins and the larger compounds that are not supposed to be absorbed into the bloodstream. If your gut membranes are not healthy, intact, the way they're supposed to be, that again can cause a whole cascade of inflammatory compounds getting in. When there is a war raging, because of all of these foreign compounds coming in, there's always going to be collateral damage, right, in a war. So it happens to be your thyroid if you have a thyroid condition. It happens to be your collagen if it's lupus. So again, this would be an example of how functional medicine can in fact reverse diseases once you've been diagnosed with it. So we're gonna, go to the root cause, heal your gut, and then quiet down that war that's waging in your body.